Hello everyone. Today we will be working on a line follower robot using Arduino Uno, L293D Motor Driver Shield and infrared sensors. We start assembling all the components to the chassis. We are provided with two DC motors. We attach both of them to the board using the screws given. As you can see, both the motors are now attached to the chassis. Then we put the encoder on the motor shafts. These encoders can be used if we need to take a feedback of the velocity or displacement of the robot when it's in motion. Then we attach the wheels to the motors. Now that both the wheels are attached, we now come to the caster wheel. Caster wheel basically serves to support the robot's mobility and as a follow-up to the two wheels connected to the motors. We are provided with spacers, which helps in maintaining the height of the caster wheel. For the caster wheel, we use 8 small screws which are provided in the kit. As you will notice, there will be 4 slots for those screws in the chassis board. It can easily be screwed. You can also see there are many holes and slots made on the board. These are for your own convenience, like if you need to use more sensors or some microcontrollers, you can attach them wherever you want according to your needs. As you can see now, we have assembled the caster wheel as well. So now we put the battery connector on the board. It will connect to 4 AA batteries which will power our system. So by the time we will be done tightening the screws of the battery connector, we would have completed the assembly of chassis with the motors, the wheels, the battery connector, and the caster wheel, along with the encoders. So after that, we can move on to the electronics part. Now hey, what do we have here? An Arduino Uno and the motor driver shield for the Arduino. We place the shield above Arduino and attach it to our chassis. The shield makes us work with more than just one motor easy. We can connect DC motors, servo motors and a stepper motor as well just by using this motor shield. It uses the chip L293D. We now connect the two infrared sensors in the front of our chassis which will be detecting the path. So yes, now we are done till here. We have imported the motor driver libraries and defined the analog pins for the infrared sensors. If we go down, we see that we are taking the readings from those analog pins, and according to the values of the infrared sensors, we define the motion of the board as forward or backward, turn left or right. Now, when it switched on, we can see it was not initially on some path, but as it detected a line, it started following that. You can download the driver libraries online. This is just a prototype. Big industries, warehouse automation and all uses AGVs or line following bot for carrying inventories or goods from one part to the other. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something today.